Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about Numpy arrays. So if you have not already started your Jupyter notebook, I'll suggest this is the time to do it. Let's import Numpy as NP. So when we are writing NP, that means we are referring Numpy everywhere. So instead of writing this entire word, we'll simply use it or refer it with NP. In this particular video, I'll cover dimensions of arrays. Now, zero dimensional array, which means we are just referring to a number at a point. And this number is not covered with any square braces. So if you try to find element at zeroth index, obviously you're going to face an error that will say too many indices for array. This is as easy as that. One dimensional array or unidimensional array. So this happens that a bunch of elements is contained in one square braces. So you can do this. Also, I have written np dot arrange 1 comma 6. That means from 1th index to 6 elements I'll be fetching, which is same as that only. I think you have worked with the range, so this is nothing but that only we are using with numpy. Okay, so here when we try to find the element at zeroth position, we can do simply by array of 0. So let's move to two-dimensional arrays. Here what you'll find that array in array. So suppose if you want to find an array, or if you want to extract the element at zeroth index, you just have to do uh, um, like array 0 and you'll get a unidimensional array in a response. So it is as simple as that. So suppose if you are doing or fetching from a 5-dimensional arrays, in that case when you are trying to find the element at 0th position, you will be getting a 4-dimensional array, just one less. So this is what I am trying to capture in my next slide, in which I am trying to say a little about 3-dimensional arrays. So that means that when I am trying to find or fetch the element at 0th position, it is giving me a 2-dimensional array. So if I want to go and fetch the basic, the in most inside element of this particular array, I'll be doing an array of 0 of 0 of a 0 element, and I'll get that particular element. So what if I'm given with one particular array and I'm not sure that how many dimension it contains, because that can be an issue and you may find this type of example in your career. In that case, you will be using ndim. So ndim is a key to do it. So suppose you have this particular array and you just want to find how many dimensions it have. So it is going to fetch the maximum dimension it is going to get if it is doing 0, if it is trying to find the value at 0. And that is, for example, here it is a 3-dimensional array. So now what if you want to create, suppose you have this 1-dimensional array or 2-dimensional array in your hand and you want to convert this into 5-dimensional array. How you'll do it? Now again, this ndim is the key to do it. Let me show you. So here you can see that I have one unidimensional array which contains 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and I want to convert this into 5-dimensional array. Now how I'll do it? So it's as simple as that. I'll just have to provide one comma separated keyword called ndim and say it as 5. So you can see it has given me 5 pair of square braces, so that if I'll do what is the element at 0th index, obviously I'm going to get a 4-dimensional array, isn't it? So that's all for this video. See you in next. Bye.